Hello guys, this is Anju here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing about the recording uh, on the trade that I have taken. So guys, this is the Bank Nifty and today we have earned a profit of 3000 rupees and that too with just one lot. Okay, so let us go when the order was taken and what was the strategy that I applied to get the 3000 rupees profit. Guys, if it would have been so with this uh, so this could have, if I would have taken around 3 or 4 quantity, then it could have been uh, around 10,000 profit because I captured more than 130 points. Okay guys, let's break down the strategy now. This is the Bank Nifty. I'll just open this chart is here. I will shift to 1 minute and day trading. Guys, one important thing that happened was today was a expiry day, and then I thought during expiry day we have seen normally a fall more than rise. And since yesterday was Wednesday, from last 3 weeks Wednesday that market was falling, but it didn't fall yesterday. So today was expiry, and the expectation was that market will fall for sure. Okay, so guys, let me start let me show you the order details. Okay guys, see, I shorted the Bank Nifty July future at 10:44, that is at this time 10:30. Okay, 10:40, 10:30, 44, that is somewhere here. Okay, okay guys, so this was the point where I shorted my 10:44. Okay, let me take the shorting tool. 10:44, this was the exactly we shorted at 21,990, this point. Somewhere at this point we took the trade. Okay guys, and let me tell you, let me remove this, the strategy behind this. So guys, first of all, the market raised till here in the morning and it gave a sharp fall immediately in 3 minutes. So that after two more up, when the market went try to going up, it was rejected at this point. Okay, and at this point, okay, so 2 points were there where the market got rejected again when it went up. So I decided that after one retracement I will take an entry. So the same thing I even updated in the Telegram group. Okay, so here is the one which actually, if you see the Telegram group, uh, I had just posted that here, the same thing which I took the entry. Okay, so guys, I basically took something entry here, and if you see here, this is the shorting tool. Okay, so basically, let me not take that because it's disturbing to mark our strategy. So two things happened. First thing is market was rejecting 2 times here. So when it came, I wanted to short somewhere at this point, 22,000, but I short when I shorted it, it was 20,990 at this point. Okay, so at this point I shorted, and my immediate and my the market really bounced back after my giving my target, so that was very good. So I took only one lot. So guys, if you go here and just I marked it from here, and how did I mark my target was, this was our yesterday's support, that is here. Okay, so I just pulled that and marked it my support somewhere here like this. So I took off this because I knew that market may bounce back from here. So somewhere around 130 points I wanted to capture. So that gave me just in 15 minutes, guys. If you guys see here, right? So 10:45 somewhere I entered, and 11:11 was my trade done. So I can't say 15, so something close to 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes I was able to achieve my target, guys. And the strategy, yeah, nothing but it was very simple. It was expiry day and market gave a big red signal here, and then it gave one small break. I wanted to show you that also, guys. The market showed here one small trend line. If you draw like this, it was a fake breakout. And one more thing confirmed me to stay in the trade was the double top. Okay, the double top pattern. Okay, so this was the double top pattern which formed here and here. So that confirmed me that this is not a breakout, but this market would gonna fall. That is why I was sure that it will come till here. And to be very frank, my stop loss was not so big. My stop loss was only of this much. Here was my stop loss, guys. This was my stop loss. Just with RR ratio of 1 is to 2, I was able to capture these points. And the same thing I had updated even in the Telegram channel here. With see here, this was my target, guys. Actually, in the market when I was doing the live trading, then I had taken the screenshot. So 75 rupees was just 75 points was the stop loss, and target was somewhere close to here, and that was given to me in just 15-20 minutes, and the trade was done for the day. So that's all, guys. I have nothing much today. Thanks for watching my video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and share the video.